Alright, so here's how to fix Discord mic cutting out. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the user settings, and then from here you need to go with the voice and video. So just select that one, and then from here, as you can see, input sensitivity. Alright, so here's the thing. First, if your input sensitivity is selected as automatically, then you need to turn it off and play around with it. All right, but if you have the manual sensitivity, then you need to make it like slide it down like this. Just play around with it until you got the sound. All right, so if you slide it down, it will capture the noise as well. So make sure that you're getting a right spot to slide it down. Until that, if you have already done it, I think it will solve up your mic cutting out problem. All right, so just slide it down. It's a quite simple solution. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a very good day.